What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. Got a new site that I just came across. It was recommended to me by one of my subscribers. It's called DollarPayU. I literally just signed up. They already put 10 cents in my account, so I like that. Um, very straightforward, get paid to site. If I scroll down here, you'll see all the offer walls that they have, lots of different ones. I think they have 20 different offer walls you can choose from here. I'll tell you off top, ones that I like is AdSense Media, Offer Turo, Theorem Reach and InBrain.ai. They will give you disqualification points if you do not qualify for the survey. So I think, whenever you get disqualification points for not completing a survey, that's always good. That actually shows that, the site actually cares about you and your time. So, if you're interested in taking surveys, I would definitely recommend these two just because, you're getting something at the very minimum. But, lots of different overalls you can try. When it comes to offers, I mean, I think they're really slept on. They're really just signing up, create send an email, create a username, password, stuff like that, and you'll get credit for doing stuff like that. You'll see here on the side what different people are doing. You just look at the what's happening now, the different rewards people are getting. You kind of scroll, you'll see lots of different ways people are making money with it. So you'll see here that's really something that everybody's doing. This is something that has been around for a little minute. I'll go to the survey section here, and here you can see all the surveys that they have. And if I just scroll down here, you see here that have car owner survey, 150 points. That's $1.50. Sample daily survey date, 70 points for doing that one, right? And you see the amount of time it credits, like 30 seconds average. You know what I'm saying? Last credit 39 days ago, but that's because this site is really not as popular. That's why I'm trying to, bring it to the attention of more people. But, definitely check it out because I think when sites don't have a lot of people on it, they're able to pay more for their surveys, which is why I can scroll down here, this one right here, 90 points. It was credited 8 hours ago. If I keep on going, 100-point survey, 75 points. You know what I'm saying? And you see here, all of these surveys are paying really good. Look, 100. 80, you know what I'm saying? So there's something that you can do. You can kind of scroll, keep on scrolling. There's lots of different surveys that they have. That's just how it works with this. So, definitely chart the surveys and the offers. You can make some really good money with that. When it comes to cashing out, I'll show you the cash out process. They have a minimum of $5 that you can cash out with, I think it's PayPal, right here, yeah, PayPal and Skrill, another payment processor. Wise transfer, $10 for that. So these are three options that they have as of now. $5 really isn't difficult to do. I mean, of course, you would like it to be a little lower, but $5, I'm not really mad at that. Once it gets, really above 10, that's when it's kind of like, okay, that's a little high. But, $5 shouldn't be hard to reach. If you're doing the surveys, you're doing the offers, you really have no problem cashing out. So I just want to make a quick video on this site, DollarPayU. I'll leave the link to sign up in the description. It isn't a very popular site, so I believe that's, one of the reasons why you're able to make so much with the surveys and lots of different offers. So definitely try it out in your free time. Like I said, linked in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.